Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Look, we all know the challenges that we are facing in today's new normal of working from home, with many of our clients and teams being totally remote. It can be tough, trust me, we've all experienced it. You may not know, but Avidex offers a few AV as a Service EasyRoom packages that are helping our internal teams here at Avidex and our clients to find remote meeting solutions. Few things to share about Avidex EasyRooms. First, these packages are complete solutions to get you up and running fast. We install a meeting-ready system in days, not months. And maybe the best part is that these systems are fully maintained and supported by Avidex for complete peace of mind. We remotely monitor our systems 24/7 and update or fix issues before it becomes a problem. It's truly a worry-free experience. Second, our EasyRooms let you seamlessly jump from meetings across any video conference platform. And with everyone going remote right now and on different platforms, that's a big deal. And third, a lot of companies don't have large AV budgets, especially right now. EasyRooms is a great solution because they're an affordably priced subscription model solution, meaning that my clients that don't have huge AV budgets can still have top-of-the-line technology and a quality experience. EasyRooms start at just $330 a month for a fully functional meeting space. You really can't beat it. As you can tell, I'm really proud of this work. We're helping each other and our clients stay connected, productive, and working, especially right now. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. We're here to help. Thanks for a few minutes of your time today, and stay safe out there.